Hello and welcome to a major Droid unboxing video. Today we're looking at a CUBOT phablet called CUBOT Power. So let's check out the box. The box itself is really nicely built. It's heavy and I like the matte surface. Especially I love the reflective letters here, the golden ones. The gold and black, they really go together very well. Here we got some basic specifications and this phone is very well spec'd. We got Android 8.1 here, which is the latest version of Android currently. I think there's Android 9 in the works, they're like developer previews, but this is pretty much the latest stuff. We got the USB-C reversible connector, and that's really nice. A big battery of 6 amp hours, a big screen that's 6 inches, and of course we got 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM. So, let's open this baby up. Very nice. First of all, I see there's this weird space here. Why is there so much space? It shouldn't be like this. Let's pull the phone out. And first of all, I gotta say, I love how this phone is very heavy and very thick. I love them thick. This glossy surface on the back, I don't think it's really nice. It actually feels very cheap in hand. The front of the phone looks really nice. Also, I see they got only one camera. That's kinda rare to see nowadays. Let's set the phone aside for a second and see what else is in the box. So, we'll remove this part. And now, wow, I really love this design. The gold with the black, that's some prime stuff. Let's pull this out first. It seems like it's gonna just be boring stuff like manuals. And we got a little surprise here. No, it's not the pin, it's actually the case. Do you see? CUBOT gave us a plastic case to go along with the phone. This is probably smart, because I feel like this glossy back is gonna get scratched very easily. Like, this is a reflective surface, the second you put it on something hard, it's gonna get scratched over time. So this case is kinda useful, but it's also glossy, so not much use of it for those who don't like glossy cases. It's free. We got compilers regulation, probably for the FCC and stuff, and manufacturer information. Here's a quick start guide for people who aren't familiar with Android, and last we got the pin for removing the micro SD and the SIM cards. Let's see what else is in here. This little S, that's actually the cable. Let's open it up. So, this is the classic cable that usually comes with phones now, and I've said this before, I don't really like the rubber on it. It's the type of rubber that after like some years it starts to perish and get sticky. That's at least the impression that it leaves. It doesn't look durable. We also got here a charger. Let's see how strong it is. I don't even know if this phone has quick charging. Let's see. Okay, here are the specifications. It says here 5 volts, 2 amps. That's the classic charging speed of most phones today, but I don't think it has quick charging. The phone actually has really nice specs, and I'm eager to see how the Android OS that I put on it, how it performs. Is it nice? Is it over-designed? We'll see all that in a review that's gonna come out in about a week, so stay tuned.